On the 26th of July, 1957, the United States conducted an underground nuclear test called Pascal-A at the Nevada test site. The researchers placed the nuclear device at the bottom of a narrow shaft, 150 meters deep and 1.2 meters in diameter, and sealed the top with a steel shaft cap and detection instruments used to calculate the explosive yield. There was nothing inherently wrong with the experiment itself. However, because this was the world's first underground nuclear test, the researchers lacked practical experience and made a miscalculation when estimating the yield. The shockwave produced by the explosion turned out to be roughly over 50,000 times stronger than expected. The researchers gazed at the towering mushroom cloud in silence. The shaft cap on top of the test borehole had been blasted off by the nuclear shockwave. The researchers remained remarkably relaxed about it. Their reaction was essentially, "No big deal. Why don't we run it again? I'd really like to see how fast that thing can go." So, they recreated the same test conditions, and the Pascal-B experiment began. This time, a high-speed camera successfully captured the flying shaft cap. To their astonishment, the cap appeared in only a single frame on a camera shooting at 1 frame per millisecond. Based on this, they estimated its launch speed at around 66 kilometers per second, about 6 times Earth's escape velocity, and even faster than the escape velocity of the solar system. If it had not completely vaporized due to atmospheric friction and had successfully escaped Earth, then judging from its trajectory, it might have flown out of the solar system toward the Hercules galaxy cluster, roughly 650 million light years from Earth. Thanks to this unbelievable speed, the shaft cap became the fastest man-made object in history, holding the title for nearly 20 years until 1976, when Helios 2 surpassed it with a barely higher speed of 70 kilometers per second. Today, that record has been further raised by the Parker Solar Probe, which has reached 191 kilometers per second. If you started running south from the North Pole at that speed, then by the time you finished watching this video, you'd pretty much already have arrived at the South Pole.